Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to promote affiliate links on Twitter. So if you are looking for how to promote your affiliate links on Twitter, then this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can promote your affiliate links using Twitter, guys, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that, guys, if you are beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and in that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So go and check out my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? So guys, now here, without any delay, let me show you how to promote affiliate links on Twitter, guys, right? So guys, now here I'm assuming that you already know that what product that you are going to promote. So as in my case, guys, I'm just giving the example, guys. By the way, you can pick any product, guys, that you want to promote. So I'm going to promote Work with Sebastian program, right? It's a training where you are going to learn how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So by the way, if you want to check it out, down below I have put the link. You can go and check out. So this is the training, guys, that I'm going to promote, right? For that, guys, I have my link, guys. Actually, guys, just to promote this Work with Sebastian program, you can say, promoting this training using custom domain, that is www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com, guys, right? And yes, guys, here, guys, I would say, guys, never ever promote your ugly looking and long looking affiliate link, guys, right? It's not the right way, guys. Let me show you, guys. So guys, this is the link, guys. You can say this is my affiliate link, guys, right? So guys, now you tell me, if I give you this link, will you click on that? Chances that you will not, guys, right? Because it looks spammy, long and ugly, guys, right? So instead, guys, using this link, what I'm doing, I'm using custom domain, that is www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com. So this is my link, guys, right? So if someone click on that link, guys, then that very person will go to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting. This is Work with Sebastian program, guys, right? So guys, this is the beauty of using you can say custom domain, guys, because guys, it looks nice, it looks somewhere branded, guys, right? And it looks short. So yep, if you give this link, then chances that this very person or that very person will click on that link, and yes, if he or she thinks that the product that you are promoting is going to help him or her to solve his or her problem, then yes, he will go and buy your product, guys, right? So that's why, guys, I would, you can say, highly recommend, guys, always use custom domain, guys, right? And guys, it hardly costs you, or you can say you need to pay around $5 to $10 for 1 year, guys, right? By the way, I'm using Namecheap. If you want, then just down below I have put the link of this domain register, that is Namecheap. You can go and register your domain, guys. And yes, guys, when time comes to choose your custom domain, guys, think that, guys, it must be related to your niche or related to the affiliate offer that you are going to promote, or you can come up with something, a generic domain, guys, like Work with Pankaj Singh, or any, you can say, generic, guys, that you can use to promote your affiliate offer, guys. But guys, here, don't get stuck, guys, that like I see that most people, whenever time comes to buy domain, they get stuck, guys. Here they look for everything, it must be branded, it must be unique, and in doing all that, in thinking all that, they get stuck, guys, and they don't move forward, guys. You can buy domain anytime, guys, whenever you want, guys. So like, for example, if you have bought any domain, guys, and you think that this is not good, right? So yes, for the time being you can use, then later on you can buy any other domain, guys, right? I have bought around like more than 5 domains, guys, right? So yes, guys, don't get stuck. Overall idea is that don't get stuck like it must be branded and like it must be unique, right? So in thinking all that, in doing all that, don't waste your time, guys. Move forward, guys, right? So yep, buy any generic domain, guys. Overall idea is that use custom domain, guys, rather using your long looking and spammy looking or ugly looking affiliate link, guys. Don't use that, guys, right? So guys, yes, and just, guys, if you don't want to use custom domain, guys, then yes, what you can do, guys, simply, guys, you can grab your link, then yes, there is a site called Rebrandly, right? You can go here, you can see Rebrandly and paste your link and then sort, right? So mountain or hills, I need to let's see. Okay, so this is my final link, guys, right? This one, copy. So I can promote this you can say this link too, guys, right? So this is another way, guys. So it's up to you guys, right? So yes, pick, you can say any way, guys. Like you can use custom domain, or you can go to rebrandly, right? And you can make your long looking affiliate link short, guys, right? So it's up to you. But if you ask me, then yes, I would say that, guys, use custom domain, guys, right? So again, now here, so I'm assuming that you have you can say created your you can say rebrand link or your custom domain link. So this is, so as in my case, it's this one is my final link, guys, that I'm going to promote, guys. So what I can do, guys, I can go to Twitter, guys, right? As you can see that, guys. So I can talk about something like if you are struggling to start your affiliate marketing business, then check out WWS, or you can say work with Sebastian program. Here is the link. So here I can put my link, guys, right? And yes, guys, here I can as in my case it is, or I can say custom domain, guys. So I can also as tag, like some tags I can use, affiliate marketing, work from home, right? So you can use as many tags as you want, guys, right? So yes, finally go and do it, guys. That's it, guys. This is one of the way to promote your, you can say, affiliate link on Twitter, guys. Second way, guys, that you can do, guys, you can pin your post, guys, right? You can see that, guys, pin to your profile, guys. Let I show you how to do that, guys. So if you click on that pin to your profile, then in that case, guys, your post will be pinned on your profile, guys. So whosoever, you can say, come to your profile on Twitter profile, they will see your post, guys, with the affiliate link, guys. Let me show you how it looks. So you can see that, guys, right? This is my post, guys, that I have pinned, guys. You can say unpin from profile. So I have pinned this post, guys. Wanna learn how to start online business? If so, then join one funnel away challenge, guys. I'm, you can say, promoting another product, that is one funnel away challenge. By the way, if you want to check it out, down below I have put the link of this training. You can go and check out. This is one of the best training, guys. If you want to learn how to start your online business, then yes, this is one of the best training. Down below there is a link, you can go and check out. So yes, guys, so guys, here you can see my affiliate link, right? Or you can say my custom domain link and some tags. And yes, I have you can say post with my video, guys, right? So you can see, so if someone click, guys, then that very person will go to my affiliate link, or you can say affiliate offer that I'm promoting, guys. You can see that, guys, right? And same thing, guys, for this post, guys, right? You can see that I have recently tweeted. So if someone click, then that very person will go to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, that is work with Sebastian program, guys. Yeah. By the way, guys, if you want to check it out, down below there is a link, guys. You can go and check out work with Sebastian program. So yes, guys, these are the ways, guys, that you can go on Twitter and start promoting your affiliate links on your, you can say, Twitter profile, guys, right? So guys, here overall idea is that, guys, I would say please use custom domain, or you can say use this one, guys, Brandly, or you can use bit.ly guys. Yeah, it's up to you guys. If you want, you can also use bit.ly. So let me show you. Like if you want to use this one, wanna learn how to start affiliate marketing business, right? Then if so, then check out this training. So here you can put your link guys, your rebrand link guys, right? This one, right? And yes, if you want, you can use tags guys, tags, affiliate marketing, or work from home, make money online. It's up to you guys, right? So yep, go and do it guys. That's it guys, right? So if someone click, then yes, that very person will be redirected to your offer guys that you are promoting guys, right? So guys, these are the ways guys that you can go and adopt to promote your affiliate links on Twitter guys, right guys? So yes guys, this is all about for today guys, right? And yes, if you have any questions, then yes, you can ask your questions down below. I will try my level best to answer to you guys, right? And yes guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, there is a bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and hit that bell notification button guys, right? So yes, this is all about for today guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.